Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite boy XFPK back again with another one. Today guys, we are going to be starting something special. I say something special actually. We are going to be starting our journey on the prop firm space. To be honest, I'm actually trying to get funded up to $1 million. I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I'm trying to take advantage of this prop firm space. I'm not going to lie to you quick because Prof is here and is here to stay and is here to help traders that are looking for funding. I don't know what you guys are trying to do, flipping that $10 account, flipping that $20 account. Save up that money and buy a Prof account and try to make use of these Prof now that they are here. So I'm going to be starting my Prof journey from today, and I'm going to be starting small. You don't have to start big. If you have the money to start big, start big. But I'm the kind of person that likes, I prefer to have money to buy multiple accounts, no matter how big it is, no matter how small it is. I prefer to have money to buy multiple accounts, like 5 accounts, 4 accounts. And the reason why is because you might fail one and pass the second one, and you might fail two and pass the third one. So it's good to have money for multiple accounts. I explained that in my previous video. If you have not watched that, check it out. So I'm going to be starting my prop firm journey today, and I'm going to be using the prop firm funded next. Actually, funded next is one of the best prop firm that you can use right now. And funding pips also, you can also use funding pips, you can use funded next. But I'm going to be starting my journey today. So I'm going to be taking you guys to my system and buying a 5k Stellar Light funded next account. But before I do that, you know your favorite boy cannot just do all these things without rolling in the intro. So let's get it. So guys, welcome to my funded next dashboard. We're about to purchase the 5k account right about now. So yeah, this is the dashboard. I've not purchased an account from funded next before. I've only done that on funding pips. I've gotten funded on funding pips, and I've made profit splits on funding pips. But this is my first time of using funded next. So we are going to be getting our account now. So I think, yeah. All right, so like I said, we are not going to be using the Stellar step 2 or the Stellar step 1. I'm going to be going for the Stellar Lights, and the rules you can read on the rules. 8% profit target, 4% for phase 2. It's 8%, unlike the normal account is that is 10% maximum drawdown. This is 8%, and maximum daily drawdown is 4%. So we still need to know what we are risking. I'm going for the 5k account. I should actually go for the 10k, but I want to start with the 5k account just to start small and to show you guys how we can go in this space. Get this and get this right. The reason why I'm going for the 5k is because multiple, I want to have multiple accounts. Like I want to have a chance to buy multiple accounts. So if I'm going to fail this 5k account and buy now, immediately I'm going to be buying another one. And that is what trading is about. You cannot win all the time, and we need to understand that. So we're getting the 5k accounts. I'm going to be using MT5 to trade. I'm not going to be using C trader and MT4. I'm going to be using MT5 to trade. So swap free. I'm going to be swap. I'm going to be on swap. So all this stuff, we are not going to be selecting them. I don't think we need them because the more you select, if you are selecting all these add-ons, selecting this, the money will be increasing. Can you see? It was $32 before. These things are benefits of everything. These things are benefits, but I'm not going to be selecting them. I'm just going to buy the account, $32. So let's go. I don't have a coupon code to apply to it, so I'm not going to be applying any coupon code. And I would like to pay through, well, there's a coupon code here that you can use actually. There's a coupon code here you can use. So let me apply it. Let me apply it and see what it does. Applied coupon code. I think it's like 500% or something that they're explaining. I really don't get that. So I'm going to be going with the crypto option. Crypto. That's what we are going to be using. That is, if you want to buy an account on Funded Next, they have various options that you can use to buy it. But I just prefer using crypto. I prefer using crypto. So what cryptocurrency am I going to be using? USDT, and the network is going to be TRX. That is Tron network. TRX network. So that is it. All right. So next. It's actually $32, but anytime you want to send a crypto to purchase an account on funded net or any other platform, always send above the amount that they give you, because if you send less, you might not get the account. So always try to send above. Please note that the selected USDT and the network TRS crypto, ensure the cryptocurrency network selection is correct. So you are going to proceed, and it's going to take you to another page. This is how you are going to pay for the crypto. So I'm going to be logging into my Binance now. You don't need to see all of that actually. So I'm going to be logging into my Binance and I will be doing the transaction. And once I get the account, come back and show you guys. So guys, I just purchased the account. They actually asked for 32.99. I sent 33.5 to them. So FundedNext just confirmed that they received it. All right, so we are back to FundedNext. So guys, as you can see, I just purchased the account, the Stellar Light Step 2 5K accounts. You can see it here on my dashboard. So we are going to be trading these accounts. Probably when we get a setup, we're going to start trading the account, and hopefully we just hope for the best for the account. So let's see as it goes actually. But that is how to purchase an account on FundedNet through using crypto. So now that I've purchased the account, let's start the journey. So guys, we finally purchased the 5K account and I've logged in the 5K account to my MC5 right now. It's up and running, but we have not seen any trade yet. So once I get a trade and I catch a trade, I'm going to let you guys know about how the whole process is going. I might lose this account and I might actually get funded on this account. We don't know. That's the reason why we have money for multiple accounts. That is the math behind it. That is the math behind it. You need to understand that. So guys, you can show some support to your boy, your favorite boy XFPK. We are growing, we are growing. So you can help me like this video, comment on this video, and show some love by subscribing to my video. I need more subscribers, and that is the reason why I need you to subscribe. If you like what I've been doing, and you like what I am doing, and you like what I am about to do, you can as well subscribe and show some love to your boy. Thank you for watching my video, and we'll see how the journey goes on the long run. Thank you.